about to die in here, bro. It smells. All right, guys, look. We at Sammy's house. And Henry's down here. So you guys all know why. Because we about to wrap it, bro. A new color. Comment down below what color you guys think we're going to do on the Lambo. We're going to wrap it here at Sammy's house. This is Sammy's new house. You got an F80 in here. Sick. Well, if this was your garage, which one would you drive?
Daily?
I'll daily drive the Lambo. I don't care.
Daily F80? That one, you know?
I don't think I'd ever touch the F80. Thank you for watching another video. We out here trying to show a little bit behind the scenes of the wrap stuff. Yes, we're still doing wraps. Whenever we get a wrap job, we can do it. I think I just stepped on Sammy's dog's pee. Next up, Aventador. I'm about to unwrap it right now. Start disassembling it. It's gonna be sick. It hurts, huh? I know my fingers hurt too, guys, but look, the whole car is pretty much unwrapped and disassembled. You know how crazy it looks, bro? No bumpers, the side skirt's gonna come off, everything. It actually looks really good yellow. Sick. If you guys remember, if you guys don't remember, this is actually TJ Hunt's old Aventador. He used to have yellow calipers, but we painted them to color match the old wrap. This time, we're gonna do the new color, plus he might do some very, very colorful brake calipers next. That's gonna be sick. We're also gonna powder coat the wheels all black. The car's gonna be that whole new makeover, bro. It's gonna look really, really sick. I can't wait to see it. We're actually doing Nardo gray on this thing, guys. Nardo gray. Sammy could not decide what to do. He wanted like a green, like an army green. He wanted satin black, and now he wants Nardo, which I think Nardo's a freaking sick ass color on this car. If I had an Aventador, it would probably be Nardo or like satin black, honestly. I really wanted to do satin black. Look at this, guys. The car's almost done. The rear bumper's done. All the whole body is pretty much done. Since the last time you guys seen it, a lot has been done. It's almost done. We're about like 95% done, bro. We're almost there. It's just this side skirt, and then Henry has to do the other side skirt. And then just a bunch of little things after that, like door handles and little trim piece. I definitely want to do Nardo gray on one of my cars. Really bad. Should we do it on a GTR?
I think we should.
It's a little basic, but it looks really good, bro.
It's clean.
It's clean. And I've never had Nardo gray on any of my cars, but I've always wanted to do it. I wanted to do it on my E92, and I really want to do it on my GTR now. The reason I didn't do Nardo yet is because Fresh Kicks had it on his GTR, and I didn't want to copy him, but he doesn't have the GTR no more, so now I can be the only Nardo one.
You did green on your 350Z, so we can just
But it's looking sick, guys. I cannot wait till this thing's put together and see it on the street. Right now, the wheels are getting powder coated too. Well, they're gonna get powder coated. They haven't taken them yet, but. And we're also gonna paint the calipers a different color, I think. I don't know. All right, guys, we're about to take a break from wrapping. Taking a break from wrapping. We're gonna go to this little car meet real quick with the homie Hugo, the homie Henry. Show Henry some SoCal car meets. He's never been to like a California car meet, so this will be his first one. It's actually a pretty good one, so it should be pretty lit. Hugo's E92, we got my GTR. Should be sick. My camera's about to die, so we might have to switch to the iPhone, but we'll see. All right, we made it to the gas station. We're about to get some gas. E85 again, bro. We got Hugo out here. Hugo actually cleaned this car without me. Damn, E92s look so good. I hear Jimmy pulling up. I knew it. Tell me Jimmy's pulling up. R32. Hard. And we got the other homies. God, that shit has BBSs? He has BBSs on it. I was about to say, why is Jimmy sitting in the passenger seat? It's right-hand drive, I forgot. This thing is beautiful. You guys have seen it in my vlogs before. Super sick GTR with chrome TEs on it. This bed is beautiful too. BBS is on it. God damn, this bed is crazy. And it's red. You guys know I like this. I want a vet so bad. C6, my favorite vet. Guys, like more cars pulled up. What is going on right now? God damn. And a Supra? Sheesh. Dude, my camera's about to die any second, guys, but I'm trying to film as much as I could. Yeah, this is a gas station takeover right here. TEs on the Supra. It was actually a ZR1. I didn't even pay attention. These things are super fast, bro. Look at the hood. It has a clear like glass so you can see the engine. So sick. This paint job is beautiful, bro. This is crazy, guys. Which one are you taking? Which one are you taking, Hugo? Which one are you taking, Hugo? Out of all these cars?
Out of all these?
What car?
Oh, that's hard.
Come
the
on,
way they
Hugo,
are
please.
stock.
The way they are right now. Everything in this parking lot. Mine! mine, bro. You're taking too
I
long.
don't know, bro. That one's hard.
I know. I do
Look
like
at
the
it
blue
with
one. Blue one is hard with the TEs.
That looks crazy.
Their paint jobs
Nah,
look cool.
but your wheel setup is crazy, like the tire and everything.
Yeah, I like my wheel setup
like
better.
that beefy.
But that blue is clean, bro.
But look at
And
the
the vet.
Show the vet, bro.
I already showed it. That shit is so sick, bro. Little drift car or something, huh? I've always wanted one of these. This body style. It's really sick. And then we got a Supra on TEs as well. I'm really on my iPhone right now, guys. It doesn't look that bad though. Pretty sick. Shit is so clean. Should we race them? Gotta put these on, guys. Make it fast. Turn the traction off. All the JDM cars are out today. Nico's the only BMW. Supercharged R1s. Yeah, and they're light too. Bro, the back kind of looks like GTR taillights. They're like the same, literally the same taillights, bro. Alright guys, we made it to the meet. We out here. Bro, I actually like filming on the iPhone. I think it's kind of cool. It's a pain in the ass to edit though later on. Oh, look at it. There's a bike on the roof. But there's a bunch of cars here. GTR, 370Z, another GTR, Evo. There's so many cars out here, guys.
Oh, look at that Viper, bro.
M4. Damn, here's a Viper. This Henry's first Cali meet.
It's just
It's pretty
tight.
cool.
Fuck with it.
It's sick, bro. It's too hot though. That's the only
my
thing.
favorite car, GT.
You like those?
Is that a
The
GT?
MG80, G82, McLaren. So many cars out here. AMG, GT. Oh, the GTR. Yeah, those are like the more expensive ones. Race another GTR? I'm slow, bro.
Probably like the same as yours.
Lambo. There's so many cars out here. Oh, this GTR is clean, bro. Black GTR. See, I missed the black. I missed the black, bro.
The black is tight.
I think I need to go back to black. Oh my god. We got these slate gray, I think.
Wow.
Is that slate gray?
It looks like slate.
This is the color I wanted to do, guys.
paint, to be honest.
This GTR is beautiful, bro. I've never seen this one in my life. I don't know what body kit that is. I think it's the Pandem one. The hood looks sick. This thing is set up perfectly, bro. Wow, that's a sick ass GTR, bro. Damn, bro. Aventador? Oh my god, even DDE pulled up. There's so many sick cars, man. This shit's hard. Yeah, this meet is packed, bro. Another SVJ, I didn't even see it. Wow, there's a lot of freaking sick ass cars here. 2 SVJs. Cops over there.
The most perfect car.
Yeah, that one's beautiful. It's so clean.
Oh my god, bro.
Imagine we had 2 of them.
Me and you?
There's so many like supercars. Got the Rolls Royce out here. This thing's hard.
Yo,
what's up, guys? How's it going? What's up, bro?
FindingNick.
What's up? The gas station is literally taken over completely. No one cannot come in here and get gas at all. Every inch of this gas station is taken, bro. By supercars. There's at least millions of cars in here. Look, everything. STO right here, all blacked out. Batmobile, literally. Guys, look at this thing. Roll cage, big old tire setup. Oh my. It's for sure fast, boy. He has B-locks
Yeah.
in the front and the back.
Yeah, it's crazy.
That is insane. Damn, bro. the cops are for sure pissed, bro. Look how many cop cars there are, and they're literally shutting down the street. Oh no, hopefully we don't get a state rep today, guys. I'm gonna cry.
It's crazy, man.
What is going on, bro?
Dude, I don't know.
I'm actually scared, bro.
Honestly, bro, state rep out here.
Oh, that's a state rep guy right there for sure. He looks like he's ready to give someone a state rep. Damn, sick ass food. Made it to the second spot, guys. I want to go look at the SPJ again. God, bro. And a crazy ass GTR next to him. I don't think this is the one from the meet. This is a different one. I think it's definitely fast for sure. M4? You miss yours?
I always.
Henry actually had an M4, guys. And it was like satin red. It was really sick. Oh, the boys are out, bro. I'm low-key scared, bro. I feel like the cops at the last meet were already mad. Now they're 2 times mad, bro. They're gonna be like, these fools do not go home. I hear sirens going everywhere, like. Wow, this is crazy, bro. I can't believe how crazy this meet is right now. Look at this, guys. Whoa. I'm scared.
So Nick's hosting this.
I'm not hosting it, bro.
Nick's hosting this. I got you, Nick.
No. I'm not even here, bro. They're gonna be looking for me.
It's time to go.
It's time to go.
Leave now. Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department, you need to get in your vehicles and leave.
Get in your vehicles and leave, bro.
Is on their way to tow as many cars as possible.
They're gonna tow as many cars as possible. I have a feeling we're getting pulled over. I'm not even kidding. It's gonna,
I'm heading out.
we got a lot of sick cars, bro. Look at this. Sick. Guys, look, so we're driving home, right? And we're not done with my 350Z yet. And Henry's supposed to go home tomorrow. And he moved his flight. It was like 150 bucks. But look how much I charged him, bro. See, $15,000 to change his flight. They charged him.
Received. They took it out the account.
No way, bro. So obviously it's a mistake, but dude, they took $15,000 from his account.
16 bands
That's like a private jet right there.
for an extra day.
No way. So he has to figure that out tomorrow. But he moved his flight, so now we got an extra day with Henry.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.